Craftsmanship Explorer. A journey into the world of artistry, ingenuity, and skill.
Everything from car parts restoration to reviving old and seemingly hopeless vehicles.
Hey there! Are you ready to embark on an extraordinary voyage? If you have a deep appreciation for the art of creation, then you're in for a treat.
Discover the art of bringing life back to those forgotten wheels and witness the transformation from scrap to road ready.
On this channel, we are diving headfirst into the heart of craftsmanship.
Dive into the world of skilled craftsmanship and automotive ingenuity with our channel dedicated to all things handwork.
From the rustic charm of woodworking to the delicate precision of glass blowing,
the ultimate destination for hands-on enthusiasts and DIY aficionados.
Whether it's a seasoned blacksmith passing down centuries-old techniques,
whether you're a car enthusiast,
or a modern-day ceramist,
a generator guru, or just someone who loves tinkering with tools,
pushing the boundaries of innovation,
you're in for a treat. Automotive adventures. Join us as we roll up our sleeves and get down to business.
And don't worry if you're new to the world of craftsmanship. Each episode promises to inspire and captivate. Along the way, I'll be your companion, offering tips, tricks, and tutorials to help you unleash your own creative potential. From beginner-friendly projects to advanced challenges, there's something here for everyone to enjoy. We'll take you on exhilarating adventures to explore bustling craft markets, vibrant festivals, and hidden workshops tucked away in the corners of the globe. Get ready to uncover hidden gems, meet like-minded enthusiasts, and immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of global craftsmanship. So, whether you're a seasoned artisan, an aspiring creator, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of handmade treasures, join me on Craftsmanship Explorer as we embark on a quest to celebrate the timeless art of craftsmanship. Remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest adventures. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and always embrace the magic of craftsmanship. Cheers!